making a bumper for this while I got this epoxy here. Marked it up to here. Cut it. I just have to grind this down a little bit or file it down a little bit so it fits on this U shape. And then we put it epoxied on the Jeep. How simple is that? Yeah, I'm a little bit of a hurry because the epoxy's drying. I have extra epoxy. I just ground this off. The whole thing. And then I ground the second half of the bumper off. So basically, this fits right over it. And looks like the whole bumper now. There you go. I'll just epoxy that on. I can file it later because the epoxy's drying too quick. So let's get that light over. I have a whole pile of epoxy that's going to go to waste here. Right, if I don't get it in this right away. And I don't have that much of it to be throwing away, to be honest. You put on too much usually, always. Like that. And a little bit on this Jeep here. Make sure it sticks. It's a little bit of a rush job because of the epoxy. It's already beginning to stick here. And we can clean it up afterwards. Just center it. You can already see it's becoming a bumper, right? And you want to always fill in the ends. So I'll use the rest. It's beginning to what you call kind of coagulate or something. Fill the back in. I might have to give it another touch up, but hey, at least I didn't waste all that filler. Fill in the ends. I bring this over so you can see it. There it is. Oh, quick, quick, quick. There's a little piece in there you can put in if you want, you know. There used to be a bar out there. That's what usually snaps. Anyways, there she is, more or less. Got dirt on my hand from rushing it. I just wanted to show you that quickly. Now we'll let that dry. And I mean, it's a Jeep. It's a Jeep thing. I took the front wheels off just to grind that off quickly. Front tires. Okay, so there you go. That's how you put the bumper on. Then you can file it a bit and clean her up afterwards. Looks pretty good. Looks like a bumper and painted silver. How difficult is that, huh? Huh. Turn off the heat again. Sorry about that. Now, there she is. All done. Let's get it in the camera there. There we go. And it's cleaned up. Little filler on the paint as possible because you don't want to be respraying this. It's pretty good condition. There we go. Sorry. Pretty good condition, so you just want to leave that the way it is. Put the tires on, clean that up, and away. How easy.